Hi student, see hereafter we will discuss the numericals problems of in equilibrium chemistry. Look at the problem. The following concentration were obtained for the formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen at equilibrium at 500 Kelvin. The concentration of nitrogen is 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 molar. The concentration of hydrogen is 3.2 into 10 power minus 2 molar, and the ammonia concentration of ammonia is 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 molar. Calculate the equilibrium constant. The equilibrium constant is Kc. First you have to write the reaction. What is that question? Formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. So write the equation: nitrogen gas, then hydrogen gas to form ammonia gas. Now you have to balance the equation. Balancing of equation means there is 3 moles of hydrogen, so 2 moles of ammonia molecule. Now you have to write the equilibrium constant for Kc. Kc is equal to what? Product divided by reactant. So to concentration of the ammonia gas, the stoichiometric coefficient is 2, so this power rise to the power divided by the concentration of nitrogen, then the concentration of hydrogen power 3. Then what is the concentration of ammonia? 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 molar divided by nitrogen 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 molar, then into 3.2 hydrogen 3.2 into 10 power minus 2 molar. After simplifying, look at this is power 2, so that whole square, this is power 3, so whole cube. Then after simplifying you will get, so this is power 2 and this is power 3, so you will get this is minus 2 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus side, 10 power minus side, this is 10 power minus 4, so 10 power minus it become 10 power plus 8, 10 power plus 8, 10 power minus 4, it will become 10 power 4. So after simplifying this, you will get 0.106 into 10 power 4, or you can write it, the Kc is equal to 1.06 into 10 power 3. So this is the Kc value. Next problem, for the equilibrium, 2 moles of NOCl gas gives 2 moles of NO gas plus Cl2 gas. The value of the equilibrium constant is 3.75 into 10 power minus 6 at 1069 Kelvin. Calculate Kp for this reaction this temperature. So we know that already, that is Kp is equal to what? Kp is equal to Kc into RT power del N. Here the del N is number of moles of the gaseous product. So first we have to calculate the del N. Del N is equal to what? 2 moles product divided by reactant. 2 plus 1. So number of moles in the right hand side, 2 plus 1 into minus the number of moles of the reactant, 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to what? 1. So del N is equal to 1. Now we can calculate the Kp. Kp is equal to Kc. Kc is already given, that is 3.75. So 3.75 into 10 power minus 6. Then the R, that is the gas constant for the pressure. So you have to use 0.0831 into temperature. Here 1069 Kelvin. So the Kp is equal to, after simplifying this, we will get 0.033. See next problem, the value of Kp for the reaction is CO2 gas plus C solid gives 2 moles of CO gas in 3.0 at 1000 Kelvin. If initially this partial pressure of CO2 is 0.48 bar, for carbon monoxide 0 bar, and the pure graphite is present. Calculate equilibrium partial pressure of the carbon monoxide and the carbon dioxide. Here, that is X be the decrease of pressure that is in carbon dioxide. Then so you have to write the equation. So CO2 gas, carbon solid, 2 moles of CO gas. So here the initial pressure of CO2 is what? 0.48 bar. Then the PO, so finally CO monoxide is what? 0. So here the decreasing the pressure. So carbon dioxide, decreasing the pressure carbon dioxide to carbon monoxide. So this is the initial pressure. Then you have to write, that is the at equilibrium. What is that equilibrium? This the 0.48 minus of x, because of that x we don't know, so we have to calculate the x. So minus of, that is at equilibrium, 0.48 minus x, this is 2 moles of, that is why 2x. Okay, this is the unit is bar, so you can write it the bar also here also. Then now the Kp, for the Kp reaction is Kp is equal to product divided by reactant. So product is what? P2CO, CO divided by P power, that is there is no power, CO2. So here the 2x square, this will be because of 2x square divided by CO is 0.48 minus x. Now after simplifying this, you will get, that is the Kp is equal to, this means what is 3.0 at 1000 Kelvin, so that is equal to 3. Now again after simplifying this, take this, this will be 4x square, then this is 0.48 minus x, then 3 is there. So after simplifying this, this is 4x square divided by 0.48 minus x is equal to 3. So after rearranging this equation, 4x square is equal to 3 into 0.48 minus x. Then after simplifying this, you will get the 4x square is equal to 1.3 into 0.48, it will become 1.44 minus x. Then 4x square, factorizing this, 4x square plus 3x minus 1.44 is equal to 0. So here, using a quadratic equation, a, here this is a, this is b, and this is c. So a is equal to what? 4, b is equal to what? 3, and c is equal to what? Minus 1.44. Minus 1.44. Using a quadratic equation, already you know that the quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the quadratic equation. Using of this, we will solve this problem. Minus b. So what is the b value? 3. So minus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square, b square means 3 square. So 3 square minus 4, a is what? 4 into 4, c, ac minus of 1.44 divided by 2, a is what? 4. So after simplifying, you will get minus 3 plus or minus the root. You have to simplify by systematic method or using the logarithms table. You will get that the value is plus or minus 5.66 divided by 8. So here you have to take, this is a minus 3 plus 5.66 divided by 8. So here the value of x here, they cannot be negative, so you have to neglect that value. That is why only the positive values are taken. Negative value you should not take. So x is equal to, then x is equal to 2.66 divided by 8. So it will become what? The final value is 0.33. So x is equal to 0.33. The equilibrium partial pressures are, so say PCO is equal to 2x, from the equation 2x is equal to what? 2 into 0.33. So it will become 0.66 bar. Then P for partial carbon dioxide 0.48 minus x. So here the 0.48 minus 0.33. So the answer is 0.15 bar. So this is the answer. Look at this problem. The value of Kc for the reaction is 2A gives B plus C is 2 into 10 power minus 3. At a given time, the composition of the reaction mixture is concentration of A is equal to concentration of B is equal to concentration of C is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 4 molar M. That is, in which direction the reaction will proceed. So the reaction of quotient, so the reaction quotient QC is equal to what? Concentration of, that is product divided by reactant, concentration of B into concentration of C divided by the concentration of what? 2A. So concentration of A power square, A power 2. Then here in this reaction, the sum given A is equal to concentration of A is equal to concentration of B is equal to concentration of C is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 4 molar. So you have to apply the value QC is equal to what? B, concentration of B. So concentration of B is equal to same value, concentration of C is equal to same value, concentration of A is also same value. So writing of this, QC is equal to concentration of this 3 into 10 power minus 4 into 3 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 3 into 10 power minus 4 power square. So after simplifying you will get, so all these are cancelled, so that this equal QC is equal to 1. So here the QC is greater than the Kc. So the reaction will proceed the reverse direction. The next problem is the concentration of hydrogen ion in the sample of soft drink is 3.8 into 10 power minus 3 molar. What is the pH of this solution? So here the pH is equal to negative log of that AH plus, so that the negative log of here the soft drink concentration is what? 3.8 into 10 power minus 3. Here into the 10 power 10 point, sorry, already written here. So 3.8 into 10 power minus 3. So taking of logarithms, this value minus log 3.8 into, sorry, plus log of 10 point minus 3. So after simplifying, getting the log values, minus 0.58 plus minus, that is minus 3.0. So after simplifying we will get minus into minus of 2.42. So the value was 2.42. 2.42. So the pH of the soft drink is 2.242. So it is in acidic nature.